الحمد لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة الأعراف وبينهما حجاب وعلى الأعراف رجال يعرفون كلا بسيماهم ونادوا أصحاب الجنة أن سلام عليكم لم يدخلوها وهم يطمعون. Translation: Between them will be a curtain partition, and on A'raf heights will be the people recognizing them all by their marks, and they will call to the fellows of paradise Jannah that peace be upon you. They have not yet entered it, but they hope. In the previous ayahs, we studied about the people of Jannah and the people of hellfire. And in today's ayah, we are studying about the people of A'raf. And this is a third group of people about which the scholars have differed. But the big Sahaba like Hazrat Huzaifa, Ibn Abbas, and Ibn Masud Raziyallahu anhum have given explanation about these Ashab-e Araf, and we will give that explanation in this tafsir today. So the meaning of hijab is any partition, and here this ayah, the hijab means the wall, which has been explained in Surah Hadid, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, فَضُرِبَ بَيْنَهُمْ بِسُورٍ لَهُ بَابٍ, that between the people of Jannah and Jahannam there will be a wall, and this wall will keep the bounties of Jannah separated from the punishment of hellfire. And this is from the ilmul ghaib, and we do not know the exact nature of this wall. However, the high point of this wall is known as A'raf, and there will be people on that wall, and they will be called the Ashab-e A'raf, or the people of A'raf. Those people who have good deeds more than the bad deeds will be Ashabul Yameen and the people of Jannah, and those people who have more bad deeds than good deeds will be the people of the Jahannam or Hellfire. And the third group, the people who have equal amount of the good deeds and the bad deeds, will be the people of Ashab-e A'raf. And there is distinction between the people of Jannah, as well as we will study that the Ashabul Yameen are the people of the right hand who have more good deeds than the bad deeds, and the Muqarrabeen are the highest group which have far more good deeds than bad deeds. So there is a division in the people of the Jannah, like Muqarrabeen will be very high, and the people of right hand will be the lower category in Jannah, and this Ashab-e A'raf will be lower than the Ashabul Yameen, meaning that they are the people in between of Jannah and Jahannam, but they will be hopeful for Jannah, and the scholars have said that they will enter Jannah in the end. So these people will identify the people of hellfire and the people of Jannah by their faces, by their signs, and those people who are going to enter the Jannah, they will see their bright and their clean and happy faces, and they will find them that that they are the people of Jannah, and they will offer salam to them. And those people who are going to end up in the hellfire, they will have blackened faces, and there won't be any nur on their faces, and they will be in bad condition. And the people of Araf will identify these people as well. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and make us among the people of the highest Jannah, the Jannatul Firdaus. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum.